Hello and welcome to another episode of Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Today we are going to know how to make breakfast sausage in an air fryer. Breakfast sausage in an air fryer? What? How the heck am I going to put these sausages in an air fryer and make them work? I got it! Okay, first thing we need to do, take the sausage out of the wrapper. Bam! Just like that. Next thing, let's open the air fryer. Oh, bam! Just like that. Now we gotta get these sausages in here. Yep, just like that. Good, good. Now, let's get this lid back on. No magic here. Good, good, nice and tight. We're going to turn the temperature to 390 degrees. If your air fryer is newer, try to use 370 to 380. We're going to do this for about 10 to 12 minutes. And bum ba da bum. Wow, would you look at that? That is some good breakfast sausage. The grease is all out. It's not oily at all. Nice and brown. Would you look? Would you look? Oh, delicious. Wonderful. Under 15 minutes, guys. You can do this in your own air fryer. Give it a try. It'll definitely make you happy. Thanks for stopping by Uncle Bill's Kitchen. We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Please be sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It costs you nothing, but helps our channel out a lot. And it definitely helps with the algorithm to make sure other people like you get to see episodes like this. That's it. You can go now. No, that's it. If you subscribe and you hit the like button, you can go. That's all there is today. Thanks for stopping by. Yep, that's it. Okay, guys. I bet you think there's more coming, don't you? You're sticking around listening to this awesome music. It is good, isn't it? That's right. Uncle Bill's Kitchen. Make sure to come by. Hit that subscribe button. And don't forget to like. Alright, I'll let you enjoy the rest of this music.